Solo Doughlo Cookin TV. Yes, honey.
Check her out. Check her out.
Hey, welcome back to the channel. So guys, I am getting ready for my little Christmas party that I'm having. I'm inviting some of my best and favorite girlfriends over, those who live here in my state. So I'm doing a little bit of cleaning before it's time to have the party. As you can see, Cash is here, always trying to figure out what I'm doing. This boy, he is something else. He's always up underneath me. So right here, I'm just wiping down my door right here. And then I am going to then clean off my couches. I don't know about you guys, but let me know. Those of you who have animals, cats, dogs, how do you guys keep the dog hair and the cat hair off of your couches? I am definitely in the market for a new tool, whether it's a new vacuum cleaner or some type of gadget that can help me to minimize the dog hair on the couch. I do wipe it down periodically. I guess I probably need to do that a little bit more, but here you're going to see me cleaning, wiping down, using some of my favorite products here, and then I'm also going to vacuum down the couches as well. So I want to tell you guys thank you so very much for always tuning in to my vlogs and to my cooking channel videos. I really appreciate you guys, and I hope that you guys are all happy and healthy and doing well, and I hope that you had a great holiday season. So I wanted to have a little transparent moment here with you guys. I was on live the other day and I was telling my family over there some of the things that really makes it a little difficult for me to do the vlogging here on camera. I mean, there's a couple different things, but I know that God has called me to this, as he has so many other people out here in the YouTube space. But sometimes I feel like being transparent on camera and talking about some things that a lot of people are ashamed to talk about, or they just don't know how to talk about it, sometimes it makes me just feel like maybe this isn't the right thing for me, maybe I'm not the right person to do this. But each time I feel those feelings or I say those things, God will send somebody my way to tell me to keep going. People really are very encouraging, very inspiring, and as you can see in a couple of my videos, when I have clips in that I meet people, you know, when I'm going shopping or when I'm out and about, and they are so intrigued, and they really inspire me and encourage me, and they really encourage me to continue to do this. So I hope that I am encouraging someone, inspiring someone. I know that I really haven't gotten into depth about a lot of the things that I want to talk about. As I was saying over on Facebook Live, there's some video and some footage that I have actually deleted because I was kind of, I don't want to say ashamed, but just a little, I was just feeling a little uneasy about recording in, you know, my natural state. You know, some people get on YouTube and they're all dolled up. You know, it seems like all of their videos, they just look so wonderful, so beautiful, but that's not what real life is. And I'm doing this specifically, the vlogging piece, to help someone else. So I know that you guys, you know, you want to see real life things, and in real life, we're not made up and looking beautiful, you know, every single day of our life. So as time goes on, I will definitely get into more conversations with you guys, and I'm hoping that so far you guys are enjoying the content. If you know someone that may be interested in this channel, whether they're divorced, they're separated, or just anyone who you feel like needs some encouragement, send them over here to the channel. And also, guys, make sure that you guys are subscribed to my Instagram and my TikTok. I'm under Solo Doughlo Cookin TV, and I'm also over on Facebook. We do lives over on Facebook. I love my Facebook family, guys. We cut up over there. So make sure you subscribe to my Facebook page as well, and on Facebook I'm under Solo Doughlo Cooking. Yeah guys, so right here I was just cleaning up, wiping down. You know, not only do we get the animals dander on the couches, but you also get it on the tables and on the floors. So I was just wiping down. Right here you're gonna see me trying to get the hair off of the pillows. So we have Cash, as you can see. Cash is in most of my videos. He always makes his grand appearance. But I also have my dog Pepper. I've showed her on the channel as well. So we have two dogs. One that actually lives here, and then the other one, you know, she comes and she visits. She's a little bougie, so she's not here all the time. But it's kind of hard to, you know, cut down on the hair and the dander. So if you have any tips and tricks, let me know. Also over on Facebook, I did ask my family over there, what do you guys want to see me do here on the channel? I've had people say that they want to see more of me on camera, so here you go. Here's a clip definitely of me being in the camera. Some people said they want to see more travel vlogging. Some people want to see day in the life. Some people want to see get ready with me, and someone actually said they want to see me do some food reviews, which I thought was a great idea because that's something that I have not done on the channel. So guys, let me know in the comment section below, what is it that you would like to see here on the vlog. And also guys, let me know what topics of discussion you guys want to hear me discuss here on the channel. We have some podcasting on the way, guys. In a couple weeks you'll see that. But let me know what else you guys want to see and hear from me. Let me know in the comment section. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you guys do so. And yeah, I love you guys.
Get a 3. See how Costco get you as soon as you come through the door and pull. Gingerbread cake. That looks good. Mini. Yep. Alright, that's one dessert. Like it's not much on there. It's really not that much.
Shepherd's pie. My grandma used to make that.
I saw with that, I was like, that's a shepherd's pie. How much is it? You see something under the cart?
You have 2 cases in my car.
Oh.
Is there any Pepsi over there?
I mean, there's a 36 of Pepsi.
Not that many. So now I think they want you to order them. Oh no, that's the same thing. They don't sell any other sandwiches anymore. Wow. Well, yeah, I think I'm gonna be making my own sandwiches. I just didn't really want to cook, but man, Costco has changed.
The Kirkland pet food.
Look like it's $8.79 a pound. I might have to get this meat and cheese trays. Not too many of those left. I think I should get that thrift store. I'm gonna get need paper towels. Find some paper towels. Alright, here's the paper towels. Let's grab some paper towels. Bacon wrapped jalapenos. I've seen these before. I'm thinking I'm gonna get some of those. Why not? They look good. And you get 18 of them in there. Real good. Everybody seems to like this, even though I have candy in the gift bag. I kind of wanted something sweet, like candy on the table. So I'm gonna take. Girl, you're beautiful.
Hey, go ahead and follow
Solo Doughlo Cookin TV. Yes,
TV.
honey.
Check her out. Check everyone out.
Thank you so much. Happy holidays. This is the OG right here. It's $17.99. See, people already started buying them out. They taste so good. I'm real picky when it comes to my meat. So this is what they look like. If you see these in Costco, if you see these in Costco, get these. They're so good. Oh, they got samples. They're so good. Yum. What kind of sauce did you put on there?
I'm using a sweet red chili pepper. You can find it over in front of the deli. That first fridge over there.
Okay, I'm gonna have to try that. Thank you. Alright, so that's a better shot. The Kirkland cooked meatballs. I put these in the crock pot. I'm gonna go try what he got. He said it's a chili sauce. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Alright, it's sweet red chili sauce. If it's good, I'm gonna try it. I normally do grape jelly and chili sauce. So probably pretty similar. That's good. Still the same concept, but I just use grape jelly. I already brought the grape jelly, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use it. I'm telling you guys, these meatballs are bomb. But I think I'm gonna get the plain, please. Everybody will like the plain ones. Alright, so I didn't know that Costco, this is new to our Costco. They sell sushi now. Look at that crunchy roll. Alright, so guys, this is my cart. We're getting ready to go to the register. So I'm getting ready to put the camera away, but this is what I got. So we're in the line.